I don't know. Yeah, it might be open, might it? It might be open. Yeah, just go steady for her. Oh, you having a go? Alright, that's why we're going so fast, because Neil. Right. Right. I've got my video going again. If you want to put Seth in front, I'll get you. Neil. I'll get you on video then. You're on a very high gear. Oh. Pony. Go a bit faster to keep I was going to say to keep Dinky away, but too late. Come on. Yeah, I was just saying go faster to keep her away, because she stays inside your bike, then I'm handing hers to do it, but I was too late. I was trying to block her, but I couldn't see where she was. She's going to have a go at this. Not going fast enough time for her. She keeps saying, oh, come on, leave her alone. Oh yeah, she keeps attacking every bloody dog and runner and everything that moves. You're on about, you're just going to leave them to it to get out of the way. Here, Dinky! That's it, he knows. Dog will move. Hit it with your front wheel. She's always the wrong side though. I wait till last minute and just call her over. Here, Dinky! Here, Dinky! Don't know what you're talking about otherwise, do they? Yours? Bonnie, for a name. Then I was thinking Connie because we had a Connie and I thought that's not right. Tessia. Alright, make her run a little bit. Otherwise she's having a go at everybody, isn't she? It will only cost Neil went at 20 miles an hour. This is okay. I thought it was you. I can't actually get him on video very well. I think I keep coming out and getting him. Right. Go inside of Mandy and get him a little bit. So I think he's keeping up alright. I'll pick him up soon. because they're spot on. They're new ones. Yeah. Oh, there she is. She's on your wheel, I think. Yeah, it were a bit steady throughout, folks. You were able to have a go at everybody. But then you can't rush through them, can you, with tandem? Not beating anybody and coming off. You haven't altered seat then for Neil?
No,
it's alright, because it's going steady, it doesn't matter, does it?
It's alright.
Let's get you on and all. Good girl. Yeah, she's not for a pee. You might have caught gear cable and just changed. Do you feel your gear go a little bit? Yeah, but Seth might catch that gear cable with his heel if he messes about. Then it'll change gear on Neil and he'll wonder what's happening.